made it to Guatemala. Welcome to our room here. We're in a hostel called the Yellow House, and this is our room. Come on in. Got a nice little nook over here. I like this a lot. Here's our bed. There's like this unique headboard situation going on here. This is the bathroom. Right, now, not in every hostel, you might not have a bathroom. You might not have a private bathroom. Obviously, since we have a private room, we do. So, yeah, so this is the bathroom.
Oh, look at that.
The shower has some nice tile. Hey, look at the tile work here. It's very unique. And that's it. All right, we're gonna change clothes. We're gonna unpack a little bit, and then we're gonna show you the rest of the hostel.
I look silly because y'all is hot, but look at this mirror. It's such a cute little boutique local designed hostel. First thing we always want to do when we go to new places is get something to eat, but I did reserve us a spot on a free walking tour, so we're a little rushed. Sean just stopped at a cafe and got something. What'd you get?
Chicken and avocado panini, which I would never get, but I was so hungry I was like, let me get whatever looks like edible, but it was so good.
How much was it?
It was delicious. It was 57 with this drink. 57, how do you say it? Qualtas?
Quinzals. Oh, we'll figure it out, y'all.
Yeah.
I think it's quinzals, but...
So, I don't know what that is, but it
57?
might be.
That's not 57?
Yeah, it was like...
So divided by 7.
I mean, maybe it's like...
around that.
Yeah, maybe it's like $6-7. I don't know. We'll put the number there.
Anyways, yeah, so I found a free walking tour. And they said it's the perfect for your first day, like it's like an orientation type walking tour. So I really want to make sure we make it on time, and also obviously to respect the tour guide. And so traveling doesn't always have to cost everything. There's tons of places that offer free tours. Streets and the roads here are cobblestone, so you do have to pay attention when you're walking. So I'll pause for a second. But what was I saying? Oh, that every activity you do in the city doesn't have to cost money. So we are doing a free walking tour, but of course you should tip your guide. So we hope that we'll learn some good things for our first time in Guatemala. Also, we passed by, I guess like a food market, a street food market on our way to our hostel, and I was like, oh, I want to go back. And guess where we're meeting our tour guide at? So I'm gonna get something to eat. Chicharron arepa, and it seems really similar to the one in El Salvador, but let's see. It has like the pickled stuff and the salsa and the cabbage.
Mine's just queso. That's good. Reminds me of all those pupusas we had in El Salvador. It's good.
Forgot to tell you, but the 2 arepas we got earlier were 30 quetzales. I guess I'm gonna go with. We're gonna look it up. Which is like $5, $5 US. And then I got this drink. I'm gonna tell y'all, I have no clue what it is. I just wanted like a lemon ice drink, and she was asking me, oh, do you want like chips? Do you want chicken bouillon? Do you want, what's up?
I don't know.
It's like cream. I was like, no. So it's definitely not the authentic drink that it's supposed to be, but...
Yeah, it's mostly just fresh lime juice.
I know. And salt, apparently.
Salt? No sugar?
Wow.
Straight up lime juice?
With salt. No.
no sweetness.
No, it's sour. Yeah, it's sour and salt. I've never had this before. The name of it, we recorded it. Ooh, hi. Maybe somebody could tell me how I'm actually supposed to have this, or maybe I'll ask our guide. But okay, Sean, I want you to taste it.
Oh, that's a lot of salt. That would be a little. Like, I like lime. I could drink lime straight up, but that's a lot of salt. Damn. There's no way around it.
It was 15.
That was the most sour, salty thing I've ever had. We did it wrong, guys. We did it wrong. We just did it wrong. For the free walking tour, we booked it with Guru Walk, and we covered a few different locations: Iglesia de la Merced, Arca de Santa Catalina, Nimpat Centro de Textiles Tradicionales, Hotel Convento Santa Catalina, and Chaco Museo, which is the last location, where we actually got to sample some chocolate. I'd overall recommend the walking tour if you have time when you're in Antigua. It's a great way to see the city.
We just finished a really good walking tour.
It was about 2 hours, and we had a great tour guide that kind of like walked us through everything. So much information, I can barely contain it all.
Yeah, she gave us a map of like where she ended up taking us, so we'll try to take a picture of it and put it in. And if I remember every single stop, we'll try to put them in too. And then she gave us a little bracelet. Wait, can I see? You got to choose bracelets and a worry doll. So you like, and you whisper your worry, and then it takes the worry. And she said only one a day though.
One important thing I learned from the tour: corn.
Oh yeah.
Foundational food of the Guatemalan people. So yeah, corn was like the foundational food, and there's like 5 different types of corn. Four different types of corn.
Blue, white, yellow, and black.
Right.
No, red, white, yellow, and black.
And they use corn for like a variety of different foods. Anyway, we're gonna get dinner, and we'll see where it goes from there. But this might be the end of day 1.
Which is like the Guatemalan national dish, or like the well-known dish in Guatemala. And I got the tres carne, so it's chicken, pork, and beef. It's basically like a stew with pumpkin, pepitas, and then served with rice and tortillas. It's a mole. That's okay. Fresh. Looks fancy. What you got?
They gave me fruit, and I couldn't say no to anything. I got scrambled eggs, papas, potatoes, some French bread thing, regular bread, pineapple, orange, watermelon, coffee.
All right, bon appetit.
Oh boy. Good morning. Freshly made scrambled eggs. Delish.
I got papas, naranja, orange, watermelon, which I don't know how you say, pan, and huevos, and cafecita. Bon appetit.
Café con leche.
I love eggs in almost every country that I've been to. They're just so fresh. The yolks are so yellow, and they're just absolutely delicious. So I'm hoping we can find a store that sells eggs because I'm really curious to know how much they cost here, because in the US they're like, for a dozen, like $13 at this point. So I know a lot of people don't eat eggs, but I would highly recommend trying eggs in other countries. They're just absolutely delicious.
I think they're fresher because they don't like, you know, store them and preserve them, and I think they like, these are like from like a farm around here or something. So I think that might be why they're better, but they're good. The staff here is also very nice, and I'm sure they're good at making it too. So. It is from Lord of the Rings.
Okay.
We are in Hobbit Habitanango. So it's like a village, kind of, I guess, set up like the Lord of the Rings. I don't know if they actually filmed parts of the Lord of the Rings here, but I wouldn't be surprised. I know there's a place in like the Netherlands or something where they filmed it, or somewhere else, but this looks a lot like how the Hobbit houses look, and the doors are circular, and like there's just like a lot of nice views. But you could see we have a volcano in the background, just barely over there.
Let's give them a 360 so they can see. So that's the volcano. And then you see it? We're gonna go up there to give you a closer look. And there's restaurants and there's activities to do here, so we're gonna check that out. We should have dinner or meal here. I love that blue door.
Why am I always walking up a hill? Ugh. There's a rope swing here, but I'm too big to ride. The weight limit's 200 pounds. Christina's afraid of heights, so she's not doing it either.
But we got a clip of somebody doing it.
Yeah, here's some random person doing it. Look at this view, though. This is a sign to the kids area. Children to area entrance. Para niños.
They even got the music, look. Wait. Oh. So they built a man in the mountain. So do you see his face right here, and then his hand is over there. So let's see if we can get the whole thing. It's kind of hard.
Some arrow target practice. Arquería.
All right. Hold here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Wow, way too high. Gracias. por favor. So, we are here. Usted está aquí. Nosotros estamos aquí. So we walked, I don't know, we walked all the way around here.
Well, the swing is up there.
Somewhere around here is the hand.
It is the coloso over there.
Oh, there you go, yeah. So you can see the face and the hand, yeah. So now we're here. There's a couple food places and bars down here. Bathrooms over there. Another food place over here. We were up here already to the wings. So really we just need to explore this area. Vámonos, muchachos.
Really?
Es muy bien.
He didn't get any of these. Those are mine that I put on there. Oh wait, I wasn't recording. Okay, go ahead. Whatevers. I get to go again. Oh!
Why are you overhanding me? All right.
As you can see, there's a lot to do here. And so we are done though. We're gonna go grab an iced coffee and make our way back down to Antigua.
All right. So long, Shire. I can't believe you could actually stay here.
Yeah, I knew that, but we didn't have enough time. Because, oh, you know I would have stayed here. So yeah, you can stay here. Isn't that cool? In a little Hobbit house. Oh, that's the golf course. Show them.
Stay tuned for the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.